Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share song from Spotify on Snapchat. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your Spotify application and simply cross that. And here you just simply select the song which you want to share on Snapchat. So I want to select this one for example. And then you see the three dot option, so simply click on that and then simply click on share. And here you see the Snapchat option, so simply click on that. And here you just simply click on send to. And if you want to send it to your story, so click on my story. And if you want to send with your friends as well, so simply select your friends. So that's it. Now you will be able to share song from Spotify on Snapchat. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.